just got back from Kobey's and got a whole car full of stuff. I'm gonna show you everything that we got. I'm gonna tell you what we paid for it, what we're gonna sell it for, what we're gonna do with it. Here we go, let's get started. Let's get into it.
Bye store. We are on our way to Kobey's.
Little last minute trip. Go down there and see what we can find at the last minute.
What are we gonna find, Bailey?
Debbie and I decided last minute to go to Kobey's. We didn't have our cart, there was only 2 hours left, and we were worried about traffic.
We're stuck in traffic and we only have an hour and a half. We need to get there.
You know, I think it might be good though, because sometimes when you show up at the end of the day, the vendors are like, I don't want to pack this back up and take it home, so they're more willing to wheel and deal you.
They're
literally 2 sticks of bacon will get you through for a couple hours. Guys, everybody's in line. It's like I've never seen a line like this so late in the day.
My favorite place to be is right here. Not thinking about what brings me down.
Ellie, where is the junk at?
We're searching for it.
I see a deer.
A
See that
deer? Oh my gosh, how scary.
Let's see. I have always wanted a yard deer.
How much it is?
The deer is $60. That is high-end deer situation. So,
Oh my gosh, look at the key.
there's a giant key.
I like it better when I'm under the sun.
We came across this dish set. We really think Jamie and Ray would love them. We had no idea what they were worth, so we just kept on walking.
This booth is like storage units that they dump out. I like the dish set. Good stuff, Ellie, but it doesn't look vintage.
My soul will tell me what I need to know. Where to go.
I love this. It's all handmade. It's very, very boho. Paid $15 for this. This is $60, you guys. It's good. Look at it. Look how cute it is. It's totally amazeballs. Looks like it was from Anthropologie, back if Anthropologie was in the 60s. Okay, we got the blanket. I hope I didn't pay too much for it. I really loved it and it was really different than your...
handmade.
The typewriter is $60. It's out of my budget. I don't think I could sell it for much more than that. So even though it's beautiful, I'm gonna pass on that one. Bailey, why are you doing this?
Sorry.
Sit down. Sit down. What do you want?
Bailey, no
Totally cute. How much is it, Ellie?
25.
25. Gosh, look, it's a carousel horse. There's like 3 of them.
Oh my gosh.
Should we buy one? Ooh, look at that horse. Cool looking carved boho-ish looking tray. This plate is boho. It's carved. It's totally good home decor. I'm gonna sell it for $20. Zacoplane Pauline. See, look at that on the website. I am a sucker for the old, unique looking dolls. Look at her face. Shoe molds, which are very unique. I've never seen them where they're in 3 parts like this. I love this doll. She's got cracks in her face. She's gotta be like from the 40s probably. She's like more than a foot tall. Does have a little situation with her arm right here. This side is okay. Got her with a bundle full of other stuff for $30. So I got her and these shoe molds. No idea what these are. I bet Jamie knows. They're like molds, cookie molds. Probably I'm not gonna buy them and then you guys are gonna be like, why didn't you get those? Because they're super valuable. Ooh, here's a bunch of doilies. I love these pink doilies right here. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at that. They're like these boxes of miniature land.
Look at this rug, you guys. I wish Debbie would have gotten this.
Look, crazy time. Oh, I actually like that one the most, even though it's kind of empty. And then I got these 2 pink doilies. I just thought they were really cute and I was like thinking maybe I could DIY something, but they're cute, they're hand stitched, and I'm selling them for $5 each. I am loving this booth. There's like crazy, weird, kitschy stuff all over the place. Some of it good and some of it not. Teapots. This says my silverware. Look at this. This could be good. Does anyone know? Let us know in the comments. Bailey. Quilt. This could be cute, like cut up and put on a chair or something. Super pretty, and you're probably going, don't cut it up. It's beautiful the way it is.
A giant bean smasher.
It's a giant bean smasher. Here's the green phone. I love the avocado green. Look it, I got the green phone. Hello. Oh, Grandpa. A lot of ladies on YouTube who would love for you to give them a call. You want their numbers?
Yeah, send it.
I got this phone, I paid $15 for it. If you watched one of my last videos, I turned one of these into a succulent planter. I'm gonna put it on the website for $40. It's that 70s avocado green situation. Look at this. This is all pristine, no stains. I would totally love this and have this in my house. I think it was 10 or 15. We're selling it for 45. It's totally good. Bunch of cassette tapes. This person's prices are actually really reasonable. They've turned them into cases and they're $60 for $35.
Kobey's always has great jewelry. I love to search through it, but this time we were on a mission and Debbie didn't have time for no jewelry nonsense.
These plants. Plant fest in here.
Bought this. It said 20 our best offer, so I offered 15 and they accepted my offer. So we're gonna try and fit it in the cart. Our cart is full of stuff. This thing right here, this is what's next. This had a $20 price tag on it and then it said OBO. Like what? It's already $20. I'm gonna redo this and in the next video, I'm gonna show you how I painted it, how I flipped it. When I'm done with it, I think I can get at least $100 out of it because nightstands are in high demand. I'm gonna give it a little boho farmhouse blend. All right, so we're gonna get this for $20. This has many possibilities. I like that. $10 is a deal.
He's posting.
Awesome. This is a big empty frame and it's beautiful carved wood. Can you see the detail? I think I'm gonna take it apart and I have an idea for it. The next video, I'm taking this and the nightstand and one more thing and I'm gonna turn it into something. This was $15. He asked $20 for it. It's got this faux leather top. I love these two tiered situations. I'm gonna paint it and probably sell it for over $100. These tables are super popular. We pushed this cart all the way from all the way over there. We have to load up the car and then Ellie is gonna take this cart and roll it all the way back to the front while I drive up to the front. She gets to drive the car and I get to push the cart all the way down there. What's wrong with this picture?
Hi. She gave up. Oh, nope, she's back to running. Bailey's like, what is going on?
You may not be able to tell, but she was very mad at this point.
We are back at the Go-Go and we got a whole car full of Go-Go stuff. There she goes. She doesn't have a leash for Bailey because it's buried with all the junk in the back seat. I got this Jenga game. You may think that it's weird, but I've been trying to go to the dollar store and get the knockoff tower games because I'm seeing all these DIYs on YouTube with the tower blocks. They never have them at the Dollar Tree, and so I got this whole box of the Jengas for $2. I'm gonna sell it online for $12. If nobody buys it, I'm gonna DIY with it. We'll just see what happens with that. I hope you liked our flea market Kobey's haul. We're gonna start doing more of these. Subscribe if you like this kind of thing, and I will see you in the next video. If you want to see my other flea market haul flip videos, I will put them in the description box. Thanks for watching.
Be sure to head over to DIYagogo.com for all the things in this video. Thanks for watching.